Chandigarh University has officially entered the league of top 250 universities by the QS World University ranking by subject. But wait, what is QS ranking all about?
Well, this was last year, but this year we are back again with a bang. Well, think of a rocket. It doesn't reach the space in a single burst. It rises stage by stage, breaking one barrier after another. And once it reaches the right trajectory, there's no looking back. Well, that's exactly the story that Chandigarh University has been writing on a global academic arena. From world ranking of 800 in 2023 to 526 in 2027, Chandigarh University has continued its path to glory for 5 consecutive years. But who decides these rankings? And why do they matter? Every year, Quacquarelli-Simons World University Rankings evaluate thousands of universities on the parameters that directly impacts a student's future. And Chandigarh University continues its remarkable journey as it stands amongst top 1% universities in India and top 2% universities in the world, and amongst India's leading institute in international research collaboration and academic reputation. Because behind every ranking, there is something far more important than just a number. It's the quality of education, the opportunities, and the global exposure that is being provided to every student.